The tried and true Dremel has been the go-to rotary tool for years, while Hoto is a newer brand that's been gaining traction. In this video, we're comparing the Hoto 4V cordless rotary tool against the Dremel 8240, a 12V cordless model. The closest comparison would be Hoto's 12V version, but I don't have that on hand. That said, I don't think the lower voltage automatically means it's less capable. So let's see how they stack up. Up first is the design and build. The Hoto is smaller overall with a sleek, dark metallic look. The Dremel sticks with its classic black rubber grip and blue accent design. The Hoto is top heavy and less stable when standing upright, while the Dremel's bottom heavy build makes it easier to set down. Hoto uses a press button to power on, and the Dremel uses a sliding switch. Both have a press to lock chuck. The Dremel includes a hanging hook, while the Hoto has a built-in LED near the bit at the top. Let's talk specs. The Hoto weighs 240 grams, while the Dremel weighs 660 grams. The heavier weight on the Dremel, in combination with a much larger circumference, makes me fatigue much sooner. If I have to use this for more than 30 minutes, I usually have to take a break because my hand starts cramping up a little bit. The Hoto has a 2000 mAh battery that is charged with a USB-C proprietary charger dock. The Dremel also has a 2000 mAh battery, but it's removable. The Hoto RPM ranges from 5000 RPM up to 25,000 RPM, with 5 steps in between. The Dremel has between 5,000 and 35,000 RPM, with 7 steps in between. The Hoto can be found for about $49.99 and is often discounted. I managed to get mine for about $30. The Dremel is about $100. Both feel fairly priced for what they offer, depending on your needs. If we compare cost per volt, the Dremel comes out on top. The Hoto is about $12.50 per volt, while the Dremel is about $8.33 per volt. These tools are clearly built for two different audiences. The Hoto is a good-looking, lightweight, and comfortable tool. It blends into a home environment seamlessly and feels more everyday friendly. Perfect for homeowners or casual users, Hoto's own marketing is catered towards light hobbyists. The Dremel is the workhorse. Swappable battery, more power, rugged design. It also can be used by hobbyists, but can also do much more. It can grind copper, it can grind stone. Whenever I have to do more involved touch-ups with more rugged material at work, I get out my Dremel. None of this information is to slight Hoto. Most people don't need this much power. If you asked a regular person to choose between the Hoto and the Dremel, they'd probably go for the Hoto. Performance-wise, at same RPMs, I honestly don't notice any meaningful differences. I even struggle to think of examples to demonstrate on video. And I don't want to waste your time, or mine, by showing you long clips of me just sitting there trying to spot negligible differences. If you enjoyed this comparison, please consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.